like this is what we'll be making. So this is a succulent made out of felt. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing another KiwiCo, this time a Doodle. KiwiCo Doodle crate. So this one is a felt succulent garden. If you don't know what a succulent is, it is a type of plant, which I love. I have a succulent in my house right now, actually. Learn felt crafting and clay modeling to create a planter full of succulents. So it looks like this is what we'll be making. So this is a succulent made out of felt. So these are all the parts for the succulents, looks like. So many succulents. A pink and a purple succulent. My father's giving me the succulent we have in our house. It's a cute one. We bought this at Trader Joe's. There are lots of plants in Trader Joe's now. So it looks like this is a fake rock something, to make it look like it's natural. Foam. So there. Nothing in here, right? Alright, tissue paper, out you go. If I need it, I'll get it back. Wire. And paper clay. And it looks like these are a red something. It looks like a marker or something. And some toothpicks. And it looks like this is a planter. Oh, I can't wait to do it. So if you guys didn't watch my other KiwiCo videos, which is just fine, I'm not going to be, let's first look at the instructions, that's what I need to do. I'm not going to be saying step one is this, let's put this and that together. We're not going to be doing that. I'm just going to be speed doing it. You guys will look at it speedily, and then at the end I'll show you how it works, if it even works. This is not a motor, so obviously you don't need it. So this is going to be so cute. This is step one. This is a jade plant. That looks like similar to one of my succulents. It's folded back so I can read it easily without it toppling over. Alright then. I'll speed wind it. I'll see you at the end. Alright, so I finished my succulent garden. Oops, I forgot something. Can't leave any succulents out. Okay, so good thinking. So normally the toothpick is for the clay, making designs on it. But I decided since these holes that are so tight together, I'm using the toothpicks to poke the hole so my succulents can go in easily. Now for my last tall one. Excuse me. Pardon me. Okay, maybe that's a bit squished, but who cares? I'll rearrange it afterwards. So really, if you want to, you guys can use the clay. Am I gonna use it? Not today. But, so normally for the idea, you can make a turtle. At the front, there are a mushroom, even a bunny. You can make all sorts of things. But I decided not to. You can add a bird's nest, a frog. If you want to, there are extra wires. If you make a clay thing, you can bend your wire, stick it into the clay, and then you can also stick it inside here, like a garden. And the reason why I like this is normal succulents die afterwards if you don't give the right amount of water, sunlight, and food. But this succulent, you can also take it off and in and out, so you can rearrange them whenever you want. But real succulents, if you try to take them out and put them in a different pot, if you don't be careful, they will die. But this one, what's the root? This wire. And obviously, can wire die? No, they can't. They might break, but obviously, you have extra wire, so you can always replace them whenever you can. Maybe I should leave that one there and just squeeze this guy inside here. Now that's more pleasant. Alright, so, and just a tip, the clay will dry out in the air. So if you want your clay to have a long life, then put it in a Ziploc bag, and I'm sure they'll live thoroughly. Yeah. Oh, there's some little suggestions. You can make rocks, textured rocks, or sided rocks, or grab real pebbles from outside and glue them between your plants. You can also make snails. What's the shell made out of? A marble. You can use things from your own house. You can make a sign from the clay saying this garden was made by whoever. You can put your name, or you can just write me. You can make a snake coiling around one of these succulents. Really, there are endless possibilities, so you can always make whatever you want. And if you have felt in your house, stick more succulents inside. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And me, Megan, is Brown too. See you guys again in my other videos. Bye!